buhl-paperform, a company with a future. At our sites in Burbach and Haiger, we operate a total of 15 modern machines to produce sustainable fibre moulded packaging solutions. Our new production facility has expansion capacities for 3 additional machines and post-processing lines. Therefore, we are already prepared to respond to the demands of a growing market. Our products are based on up to 100% waste paper. We process it in our own facilities, remove impurities such as plastics or metals, and obtain a clean paper fibre suspension, the so-called pulp. In the production machines, the pulp is sucked into shape, placed on the oven belt and then dried. A particular advantage of our facilities is to simultaneously produce different parts. This means maximum flexibility for our customers. After production, the products are packaged directly or, if necessary, repressed or punched and thus further refined. They are stacked in a space-saving manner in our modern mobile racking warehouse. The flow rack enables us to deliver every shipment just in time. In addition to individually developed moulded fibre packaging, we also offer standard products, our express moulded fibre parts. They are available immediately without tools, can be delivered from stock, and are also available in small quantities through our trading partners. buhl-paperform, sustainable, flexible, future-oriented.